Welcome to the operational guide for the BLEND Fuel Additive System by Tank. Today we'll walk through the complete process for transferring product from the upper tank to the lower tank and preparing the system for dispensing. Start at the upper tank. The system is labeled 1 through 7 to match each step of the process. Transfer 2 gallons of product from the upper tank into the lower tank. Watch the scale. It should decrease from 5 to 3, confirming that 2 gallons has moved to the lower tank. Once the product is transferred, close the vent valve to secure the system. Move to the front passenger side of the trailer. Remove the injection coupler from the storage case. Open the valve door to pressurize the system. Attach the coupler to the dispensing port and lift the dry brake. Connect the discharge hose to the product's destination. Open the air valve to build pressure in the tank. Open the product valve to begin dispensing. Watch the sight window as the product flows. When you see aeration or bubbling, the tank is empty. At that point, close the product valve. Turn off the air system and finish dispensing any remaining product. Disconnect the hoses, then release the dry brake. If the blue indicator light remains on, the system is still charged. To safely deactivate, throw the vent valve down. When the light turns off, the system is fully vented and ready for transport. This completes the operational steps for the BLEND Fuel Additive System. For troubleshooting, refer to your operational manual or feel free to reach out to us directly. BLEND by Tank. Accuracy every time.